can I link other YouTube channels to mine as a featured channel? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add a channel to YouTube, also known as a featured channel. So if this video is a video you would like to watch, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me teach you how you can add a YouTube channel, also known as a featured channel. Let's go. Log into your YouTube dashboard, and then you click on customization. So if you don't know where customization is among these icons, you just tap on these three lines at the left hand side of your screen, and then the titles of these icons will pop out. So you click on customization, look at it here, click on it. So it will bring you to this page here. So what you're going to do next is to click on Home tab. Click on Home tab, and then you come to the right hand side where you see Add section. Click on Add section. All these options will pop out. So now you're going to be scrolling down to featured channels. Click on featured channels. So here they're asking you the second YouTube channel you want to add as a featured channel. All right, so that anybody that comes to your channel will have to subscribe to your second channel. So instead of people to go and be searching for your second channel, they can just use this option here because it will be displayed on your channel. So they can just click on it and then subscribe to your channel directly from your main channel. So you can just type subscribe to this, and you come down here to search for the channel. Okay, just please note that if your new channel they want to link to this channel as a featured channel, if you have not uploaded a video in that channel, it will not reflect. Okay, it will not reflect as a featured channel. All right, so take note, make sure you have uploaded videos in that your other channel. If not, it will not reflect. So when you finish typing the channel that you want to add as a featured channel, you just click on done. Click on done, and after clicking on done, you will come to this publish, and then you publish it, because if you don't publish it, it will look as if you've wasted your time. So make sure you publish it, and then your channel will be added to your YouTube channel. All right, so that is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.